We all know that the clutch is an essential and important part of the tractor. It gradually engages the engine and drivetrain to ensure a smooth start of the tractor. When the transmission changes gears according to the tractor's driving needs, it can temporarily cut off the engine's power transmission to ensure smooth transmission shifting. It also has an overload protection function, which prevents damage caused by overload of the drive train and power output device through the slippage of the friction plate. During the use of the clutch, the wear of the clutch transmission mechanism and the wear of the friction plate caused by natural wear and improper operation may cause the tractor to slip, incomplete separation and other faults during operation, affecting the normal use of the tractor. When operating the clutch, separation should be rapid and complete, and engagement should be smooth and gentle. Do not put your foot on the clutch pedal and do not use a half clutch method to control the vehicle speed. Once the clutch is engaged, take your foot off the pedal to avoid leaving the clutch half engaged. Use the clutch rationally and do not use the clutch to overcome vehicle traps, overloading, or overcoming obstacles. Do not start in high gear with load. Instead, shift to low gear first and then shift to high gear after starting. Perform maintenance and adjustments in a timely manner to reduce the incidence of clutch damage and extend its service life.